This is the Tribit XSound Surf, another brand new release from their compact Bluetooth speaker lineup. The XSound Surf is so new it's not even available on their website yet. Somehow I found this for sale on Amazon.com, so I went ahead and ordered one. And here it is. The packaging design is still in line with all other Tribit products. You have the orange color accent on the box, and let's see what's inside the box. As usual, we have the speaker in the center cut out. And we also have the accessories and the user's manual on the side flaps. Notice now they have the writings on the side flaps. Unlike previous products like the XSound Go and the XSound Plus, they don't have any writings on the side, and people don't really check these secret compartments. As we can see, the new speaker has a very slim design. We still have all the control buttons on the top. The charging and the aux port is on the side now instead of on the back before. But the burning question is this new speaker sounds better than their predecessors? The closest competitor I can find is this EarFun Go speaker. If you don't know, EarFun and Tribit is somehow related, and they've been producing really good quality compact Bluetooth speakers in the past. As you can see, the EarFun Go and the XSound Surf both have the same output power. These are all 12-watt speakers, and they have two drivers on either side, both rated at 6 watts. Both of them have one passive radiator in the middle. They're both Bluetooth 5.0, and they all have the future-proof USB-C port for charging. Both speakers supports TWS stereo pairing, and both of them are rated IPX7 waterproof. So specs-wise, these speakers are completely the same. But what is different is the XSound Surf is a little bit slimmer than the EarFun Go. Also price-wise, the XSound Surf is around $25 and the EarFun Go is around $40. Let's have a listen and see if the Tribit XSound Surf has a better performance than the EarFun Go at a cheaper price. I'll be playing them at the same volume settings at 50%. Please use your headphones for better accuracy. Okay, so what's the verdict? As you can probably hear, the EarFun Go still has a deeper bass compared to the XSound Surf, but the Surf produces more upper bass than the EarFun Go, and when both speakers are playing at maximum volume, surprisingly the XSound Surf plays a little bit louder than the EarFun Go. So when you're listening to music, the XSound Surf does appear to be a little bit more clear in mid to high range. Even though this speaker does play a little bit louder, it does distort a little bit at full volume compared with the EarFun Go. The sweet spot for the XSound Surf is around 50 to 70%. Overall, this new Tribit XSound Surf does have pretty good performance and is somewhat in line with its competitor like the EarFun Go and the older Tribit XSound Go, and is much more portable and has this very nice slim design when you hold it in your hand. Sure, it doesn't play as low as the EarFun Go in terms of bass, but for a speaker that costs around $20 to $25, I simply can't complain too much. If you really need something with a little bit more bass, you should even skip the EarFun Go and look for the EarFun U-Boom. But for casual listening at its current price tag, the Tribit XSound Surf is a good deal and I like it. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as usual, I will see you next time.